Okay, last week, the bike I'm riding right now got a super nice from the guys at
Yes, it's simple really, isn't it?
That is what hardtails are best
That is
for.
exactly what it's all about.
It's simple really, isn't it? Get it in some mud,
And
make
he's
it
got
look rad.
Oh,
doodahs.
nice.
Doodahs. You got yourself a super nice.
Oh, no, Tim
Hit
Norris.
that horse.
Time for the bike check. So, we are riding. Let's get that up. We're riding a NS Bikes Surge Evo hardtail. It's more suited really to four cross and dirt jumps perhaps than cross country, although I've ridden it across the Cambrians doing some bike packing, done a few trail centres, and I ride quite a lot of local trails on it. We're coming to a gate. Okay, so just a second. But yeah, NS Surge Evo, 27.5 inch wheels, Alex rims to be precise, off a friend's Orange Crush. Always pick up a bargain if you can. Running some WTB, Vigilante and Trail Boss tyres. It's getting bumpy now. Tubeless with stance fluid and Petey's push-ons to add a bit of colour and to make the DDARs make removing the valve caps easy if you do have to do anything on the trail side. Wrong gear and a bit of mud. RockShox fork, Sector SL Gold, nothing flash, but perfectly good fork and well suited to the sort of riding I do on this bike. Another gate. Cranks, pedals, so Superstar Nano flats. I think I've probably ridden those on most bikes since I've been riding flat pedals. Race face Chester, cranks, great, bargain. Uber bike, oh we got a big puddle here. Uber bike 32 chainring, ice as well. 32th chainring. Driving the Shimano 10-speed cassette. So I'm running 1x10 on here, and it's all SLX. Oh, that's no pretty slippery saddle, and it's all SLX. Again, keeping the cost down, maintenance down, and complication down really. So where are we at? Tyres, Vigilante and Trail Boss. I'm not sure if I said that or not. Fun, full-on bars and stem, and I'm running. I just got some old sort of mushroom style grips from Uber bike. Right. I think I've had enough goes at doing this bike check now. As you can see, conditions are pretty horrendous. I'm heading up for a shower. I'm going to try and edit this video, make some sense of all the nonsense I've been talking this morning.